Hello, my name is Christopher Andrew, and I will be speaking to you on the behalf of my technical writing course, and I will be talking to you today about the Engineering Code of Ethics. The Engineering Code of Ethics was created by the NSPE, or the National Society of Professional Engineers. This group was formed in 1934 to establish an organization dedicated to the non-technical concerns of professional engineers. This society stands today, from its founding date, as the only national organization committed to addressing the professional concerns of licensed engineers across all disciplines, not just single ones. What is this code of ethics they created, though? A code of ethics is a set of rules and guidelines to assist someone in making decisions that are honest, impartial, fair, and dedicated to the protection of public health. Specifically, this is a code of ethics relating to the non-technical parts, like the organization that created it, of being an engineer. This code consists of many codes or canons, of which there are 6 fundamental canons listed here. Today I'll be speaking about the 4th canon specifically, which is the act for each employer or client as faithful agents or trustees. You do this by minimizing the amount of conflicts of interest you or the party you are acting as a trustee for has to deal with. The most straightforward part is the first part, which is declaring any potential conflicts of interest before they happen, before you get involved with this. Just get it out of the way first. The second part is, for many projects, you'll be having to work with more than one client or group of clients. So you need to make sure payment is done according to these guidelines as well. You must not take payment from more than one party, even if unless all parties involved know about your payment situation. If you do not, that brings into conflict with the next part of this canon, which is do not accept compensation for a project except from who you are directly working for. If you don't follow this generates a conflict of interest if you accept this, as you now have financial ties to 2 different groups when you should only have ties to the one you work directly for. Then another type of conflict of interest is that if you are serving in 2 different capacities, one as a member of some other group and another as your own, say, engineering company, you cannot participate in discussions where you may end up recommending yourself. This is because you are obviously biased towards yourself. We all think we are the best, and this removes your ability to make an objective decision regarding who to hire for this task. From the opposite perspective, if you know your principal or an officer in a company you are part of is a member of another group that is trying to hire you, you must be very careful in this situation. Specifically, you cannot accept any requests involving service that one of these officers or principals are a member of, unless they have removed themselves from the discussion. Thank you for coming to this presentation. If you have questions, comments, concerns, you can reach me through Blackboard or my email at christopher.s.andrew@gmail.com. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.